Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to let the knowledge settle in naturally. Today's video is all about the Rocky Mountains versus the Appalachian Mountains. What's the difference between these two iconic American mountain ranges? Let's dive in. The Rocky Mountains, often called the Rockies, stretch over 3,000 miles from Canada down to New Mexico. They are known for their rugged peaks, dramatic cliffs, and snow-capped summits. The Rockies are much younger in geological terms, about 80 million years old, which explains why their peaks are still sharp and tall. This mountain range has become a symbol of adventure, wilderness, and the untamed beauty of the American West. National parks like Yellowstone, Rocky Mountain National Park, and Glacier National Park attract millions of visitors each year who come to hike, ski, and explore the breathtaking landscapes. On the other hand, the Appalachian Mountains are much older, around 480 million years old. They stretch along the eastern United States, from Alabama all the way up to Canada. Unlike the towering Rockies, the Appalachians have been worn down over time, resulting in softer, rolling hills and green-covered peaks. These mountains are rich in history, having been home to Native American cultures and early European settlers. The Appalachian Trail, one of the longest hiking trails in the world, runs over 2,100 miles along this range and draws hikers from all around the globe. The Rockies and the Appalachians don't just differ in age and appearance, they also represent two distinct parts of American identity. The Rockies are often seen as a symbol of the frontier spirit, representing vast open spaces, adventure, and the rugged outdoors. The Appalachians, meanwhile, are deeply connected to folk traditions, music, and the history of the early American colonies. Both ranges are incredibly important to the cultural and natural landscape of the United States. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. Please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video, which is key to mastering English and understanding American culture even better. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with others. It really helps us keep growing and creating even better videos for you. See you in the next adventure.